Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhi Faisal Hakim and my friends.
My name is Indah Miftahul from C class, and today our team will show you about our review article. Check it out.
The first journal, an analysis on readability level of English reading text for English grade student. The researcher is Yulianto, come from Universitas Islam Riau, and is published on Journal of English for Academic, Vol. 6, number 1 on February 2019. The purpose of this article is analyze the readability level of English reading text with Flash Kincaid readability formula. The theory that used on this article is, of course, a Flash readability formula by Rudolf Flash and Flash Kincaid grade level. The method of this research is qualitative study. So there are 8 steps in Pathway to English to textbook for 8th grade of junior high school student, published by Erlangga. And the research found that there are 6 texts based on Flash Kincaid grade level is suitable for elementary school, and 1 text is appropriate for 7 or 8th grade for junior high school, and there is 1 text that appropriate for senior high school. So how it relevant to your life? For the future research, it is a good idea to do research with readability formula, because if enjoy to checking the level of book is interesting. We can know the kinds of text that are appropriate for student. Moreover, you can do this research at home without go to the field, because we can only copy paste the text on readability formula, and we can choose what formula that we can do. And for teaching practices, we can use readability formula to help teacher in selecting the appropriate text for student. So teacher not only choose the text by the theme in the curriculum, but it can be consideration that it will be understood by student or not. For family practices, give a literary practices for a family member is good education at home as parent. As parent, they can control which they book the appropriate with their children's age.
On this occasion, I have to explain about the second article, Graded Readers as an Input Medium in L2 Learning, by F.M. Hafiz and E. Tudor. Okay, for the first is summarize article 1. There are many things in this case. The first is purpose, theory, method, and the result. The purpose to assess the degree of the similarity in effect of two similarity, organize extensive reading programs on the L2 skill development of learners into quiet spirit learning context. Then there is a theory based on Crescent 1982 and 1985 about relationship between input and L2 acquisition. And there is a method. This article used experimental study, was composed as class group and 25 and age 15 until 16 of male secondary school pupils in Pakistan, and the second group 24 students actually, and same age 15 until 16 years old. The experimental population was composed of class of group and 25 each 15 until 16 of male secondary schools pupils in Pakistan. They had studied English for around 5 years at secondary school, 5 until 6 hours a week for the first 3 years, and 4 hours a week during the last 2 years. The experimental group was matched with another class group, actually on 24 of the same age and in the same years of schooling. But in spirit school, this group serving as the control population. The two groups were parallel in terms of each school year and amount of prior English instruction, but differed in terms of social background. The experimental group attend rural schools in a village 4 until 5 miles from Islamabad. Their parents being in the main agricultural or factory works. The control group attend a school in the center of Islamabad and came from families with a generally higher level of education, and most of parents working in the professions or in the national administration. Then there is a method. Actually, this article use experimental study. So of course there is a treatment, experimental treatment. So we can know about the administration of reading program. The experimental program was conducted over a period of 23 weeks between September 1987 and February 1988. During this period, subjects, so it's one of the treatment, pre and post treatment result in Pakistan study. There is N25 and N24, yeah. So because comparing to groups that has a same treatment, something like that, received their normal English instructions, sequentialization of 24 minutes each, and in addition, further sequentialization of 40 minutes devoted to the extensive reading program. The reading program was made an integral part of subject timetable and was presented to them as additional English instruction, and which although not directly related to their prescribed course of study, would help them in their annual examination in March 1988. Result. The first is a strong gains in accuracy of expression are evident in both studies, and the second is there is evidence from both studies. Thus, this is far more powerful in the present study, and there is a strong suggestive evidence from both studies. Yeah, we can know that from this article there is three important thing that we can conclude each other, and the result of a present study, and in relating this to the result of Tudor and Hafiz, three main points need to be returned. It's like in the first, a strong gains in accuracy of expression are evident in both studies, which indicate that extensive input by means of graded leaders can feed truth to and strengthen learners' underlying competence in an L2. Yeah. Then there is evidence from both studies. This is far more powerful in the present study, that extensive reading input can effect an increase in fluency and range reading using graded readers, and at least can provide language learners with set linguistic models of the target language. Yeah. Models which may subsequently be incorporated into subjects' active competence in this language. Yeah, from this article we can conclude there are many things that we know. Actually, there are three things that important for this result. Next, how it relevant to your life. For the first is for the future research. It's a good idea to do research with a readability level because there are many students that have a different ability in mastering English through reading a book. And for teaching practice, we can select some of strategy that used in teaching learning process to know the level of reading comprehension of students. For family literacy practice, give a literacy practice for family member is a good education at home. As parents, they can control which the book that appropriate with the children's age. Yeah, it's one of the relevant in our life.
And for the third article under title Assessing Readability of a National Exam Reading Text in Malaysia is done by Nurul Farhah Muhammad Uri from University Kuala Lumpur and Muhammad Salihuddin Abdul Aziz from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. It's published on Europe Journal of English Language Teaching, Vol 4, Issue 1, 2018. The purpose of this research, there are two RQ. The first, what is the readability level of the passage in the English language paper of Malaysia's national examination based on readability formula? And the second, what is the difficulty level of the text based on the judgment of the reading expert? The theory that used in this research is flash reading aids, Gunning Folk Index, and Geometric Alto Reading Index. The method, there are 7 reading texts in the section C of English paper for Malaysia National Examination from the year 2009 till 2015. Also, there are 5 experienced teachers invited to take part in the study as content expert. The result of RQ1 we can see start from 2009 till 2015. There are 4 passages based on flash reading index is fairly easy to read. 1 is standard and 2 is easy to read. And according to Gunning Folk Index, all of the passage is fairly easy to read. For geometric, 2009 till 2015, slide on the screen. And for RQ2, based on the judgment of the expert, in the 2010, all of the text is easy to read. And next for 2012, all of the text also easy to read. Next, in the 2014, all of the text is also easy to read by the expert. So, the readability score of this reading text revealed that this text was graded as a fairly easy text as they fell within the range of 66.7 till 80.6 for flash reading aids and 6.9 till 10.1 for Gunning Folk Index. Result of Geometric Alto Reading Index also proved the readability level of the passage. Correspondingly, the content expert noted that the reading texts were interesting and generally easy to read texts. The analysis of the reading passage have shown that the texts chosen for the English paper were reasonably appropriate for the upper secondary school student. So how this research relate with our life? It's same with the article 1. For the future research, it is a good idea to do with the readability for level. And for teaching practices, we can use readability formula to help teacher in selecting the appropriate text for student, especially in this case because it is prepare the national exam. So maybe in Indonesia context, we can use it when for third grade. And for family literacy practices, we can use everywhere at home to select the appropriate passage for our children.
Well, all of these journals actually for the first until the third journal is very important and has focus each other, so we can know about three of them. After that we can conclude each other and we have found and we can make a relation with our life between text with text and text with our really life. Then maybe that's all for today. Yeah, maybe that's all for our presentations. We hope we can get more knowledge, we can get more insights, and let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.